Hello students, welcome to MS classes. Today we will solve the class 10th ICSC 2020 board paper. So let's start with section A. Question 1. Solve the following quadratic equation. So here this is the equation. We know the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So if you just compare this with the standard equation, you get a, b and c, and after putting the values we get x as 6.54 or 0.46. Second, this matrix is given and a square is 3i. Find x and y. So here a is given, so as a square is 3i, so that means xy33 into xy33, that is 3 into I, which is 1001. So if you multiply and solve, and after comparing we get y as minus 2 and x as minus 3. Using ruler and compass, construct a triangle ABC where AB is 3 cm, BC is 4 and ABC is 90 degree, and hence construct a circle circumscribing the triangle ABC. So here you first draw BC as 4 cm, AB, just draw the perpendicular line with a length of 3 cm and join this, that will be 5 cm. So taking this as center, you can draw a circle which will circumscribe this triangle. So from here you can note down the radius, that is 2.5 cm. Question 2a. Use factor theorem to factorize 6x cube plus 17x square plus 4x minus 12 completely. So by hidden trial method we can see which value will satisfy this equation. So at x is equal to minus 2 we get 0. So x plus 2 is one of the factor. So after long division we get 6x square plus 5x minus 6. After factorizing it we get 3x minus 2 and 2x plus 3. So these three are the factors of this equation. Question 2. Solve these following inequations and represent the solution set on the number line. So first take 3x by 5 plus 2 less than x plus 4 and x plus 4 less than equal to x by 2 plus 5, and solve them. You get x greater than minus 5 but less than equal to 2. So if you represent it, this with the open circle and this with the dotted circle, you get the required answer. C part. Draw the histogram for this and estimate the mode from the graph. So this is a rough diagram. So from here you can just calculate the value, that will come around 5400. Question 3rd, A part. So in this figure, AC is equal to BD and angle AOC is given 72 degree. Find ABC. So as you can see, AOC and this angle will be half of it. So that will be 36 degree. Now if this is 36, this will also be 36 degree, because these two are equal. So the angle subtended with the common chord will be same. So that is 36. So this will also be 36. And the next angle, this we can find out. As you can see that this plus z plus 90, that is 180. Let me show it to you. As you can see, I have taken it as x, this as z and this as y. So y plus x plus z plus 90, that is equal to 180. So I have taken this triangle. Sum of angle of triangle is 180. So from here you can get z 18 degree. So that angle ABD would be x plus z, which is 54 degree. Prove that this is equal to sin A minus cos A. So sin A upon cot A we can write cos upon sin, and tan is sin upon cos. So after simplifying it, we get sin A minus cos A, which is our right hand side. C. In what ratio the line P and Q divided by the y-axis, and also find the coordinates. So as this is the point lying on the y-axis, so x will be 0. So let's suppose the ratio is k is to 1. So if we use the formula, we get k as 1. And if you put the value of k here, we get y as 3. So the point is 0, 3. And the ratio is 1 is to 1 because k is 1. So answer is 1 is to 1 and the point is 0, 3. Question number 4, first part. A solid spherical ball of radius 6 cm is melted and recast into 64 identical spherical marbles. Find the radius of each marble. So volume of the big sphere is 64 times the volume of the small sphere. So volume of the big sphere is 4 by 3 pi capital R cube, 64 times 4 by 3 pi small r cube. So from here you get R as 4R. as capital R is 6 centimeters, so small r is 1.5 centimeter. So in this probability question, the answer for the first part is 5 by 10, which is 1 by 2. And if you just count the letters, you get 4 by 10, which is 2 by 5, and that is 5 by 10, which is 1 by 2. Next, so in this we have to calculate the total amount of GST paid. So as you can see, for all these three items, we can find the GST, which is 5%, 18% and 18%, which is coming this. So if you add all, you get 713.5. Now B part, the total bill amount including GST paid by Mr. Bedi. So here we just add these and the 30% discount, that gives 700 rupees. So 700 plus 3000 plus 950 plus the GST amount, that will come around 5363.5 rupees. Section B, question 5A. A company with 500 shares of nominal value 120 rupees declares an annual dividend of 15%. Calculate these values. For the first, the total amount of dividend paid by the company, that is 500 into 120 into 15 by 100, that will be 9000 rupees. Second is which holds 80 shares of the company, so 80 by 500 into 9000, that will give 1440. And the return from his share is 10%. Find the market value, that will be from here you get X as 14400, so the market value will come around 180. So the mean of the following data is 16. Calculate the value of F. So here, as you can see, the mean value is 16. 5 3s are 15. This is 70. This is 15F. This is 180, and that is 150 divided by total, which is 25 plus F. So after solving this, we get F as 15. If the fourth, sixth and the last term of a GP is 10, 40 and 640, find the common, and if the common ratio is positive, find first term, common ratio and the number of terms. So fourth term is AR cube, that is 10. Sixth term is AR to the power 5 is 40. Another term is AR to the power n minus 1, that is 640. So if you divide these two, you get R as 2. Put it in any of the equation, you get A as 5 by 4. And put these two values in third equation, you get N as 10. Question 6 first, if A and B is given, find A square minus 2AB plus B square. A square minus 2AB plus B square. So A is given, AB is given, and B square is this. So if you solve, you get these values. So after solving this, we get 51 minus 20, 54 and minus 70. In this given figure, the sides are given. We have to prove that triangle PAB and PCD, they are similar. So as you can see, this angle is equal to this angle. Even this angle is also equal to that angle, because for this common chord, they subtend the same angle. So by AA, these two triangles are similar. For the second part, you can see that 7.5 divided by 5 is equal to 9 divided by CD. So from here we can get CD as 6 centimeter. And third part, area will be the square of the side, the square of the ratio of the sides, which is 9 by 6 whole square, which is 3 by 2 whole square, which is 9 by 4. From the top of a cliff, the angle of depression of the top and the bottom of a tower are observed to be 45 degree and 60 degree. Height of tower is 20. Find the height of cliff and the distance between cliff and tower. So here you can see, this is the distance X between the tower and the cliff. Tower is 20 meter height, and here this is 20, so that will be Y, and these angles are given. So if you take the triangle ACB, you get root 3, which is tan 60 degree, which is 20 plus Y upon X. And from this triangle CDE, you get Y is equal to X. So if you put this here, you get X as 27.32, and the height of cliff will be 20 plus Y, which is 47.32 meter. Question 7 first part, find the value of P if the lines this and this are perpendicular, and find the equation of the line passing through this point and parallel to this line. So from the two lines we can find the slope, which is 5 by 3 and 6 by P, and since the two lines are perpendicular, so their product will be minus 1. So from here we get P as minus 10. And if you use the formula, which is y minus y1 is, that is m into x minus x1, we can get the equation which is 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 11. Using properties of proportion, find x by y, and given is this. So this is what given. So if you apply componendo and dividendo, even here also we apply the componendo and dividendo, we get x by y, that is 2 by 3. In this given figure, TP and TQ are the two tangents drawn to the circle with the center O, and the two angles are given. We have to find OBA and OBC, AOC and ATC. So here you can see that OBA, so OBA, that will be 30 because this is 30, because these two sides are equal, so their opposite angles will also be equal. Similarly, if this is 35, this will also be 35. Second part, AOC, this angle will be double of this, so this is 65, so that will be 130. And then we have to find the angle ATC. So as you can see, this angle is 130, this is 90, this is 90, so that will be 50 degree, because sum of the angles, that is 360 degree. Question 8, first part, what must be added to the polynomial so that it leaves a remainder 10 when divided by 2x plus 1? So let's suppose k is added, and since 2x plus 1, divide this and give the remainder 10, so we can replace x with 1 minus 1 by 2, so that after solving we get k is equal to 7. B, Mr. Sonu has a recurring deposit amount and deposit rupees 750 per month for 2 years. If he gets 19125 rupees at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest. So this is direct formula based question. The maturity value is P into N, where N is 24 months. P is the principal value into N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So after solving we get R as 6%. Question number third part, use the graph paper. We have to find these values. So the first part you just have to plot all these points. The second part you have to find the reflection of all these points. Third part you have to join all of them, and the name of the figure, that is the irregular nonagon. Question 9, first part, here you can just draw the ogive curve on the graph paper, and after solving I have got the median, that is 14.67. The upper quartile was 15.67, and the number of students who over a distance which is above 16 by 2 meter, that is 5. B part, if x is equal to this, prove that x square minus 4ax plus 1 is 0. So here again we apply the componendo and dividendo. 3 to 4 times we get x square plus 1 is equal to 4ax. If the sixth term of AP is equal to 4 times its first term and the sum of the first 6 terms is 75, find the first term and the common difference. So sixth term is 4 times of first term, so a plus 5d is 4a. So from here 5d is 3a. Sum of the 6 terms, that is Sn is 75, which is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So from here, if you put the value here, you get a as 5 and d is 3. Difference of two natural numbers is 7 and their product is 450. Find the numbers. So x minus y is 7 and x into y is 450. We can find x from here and put it over here. And on solving we get y as 18 and x as 25. This is like the construction question. So here I can just give you a rough idea that you have to draw the circle like this, and you'll get the figure like this, and you can solve the value using the compass and ruler. Question 11th, first part. A model of high-rise building is made to a scale of 1:50. If the height of model is 0.8, find the height of actual building. So 0.8 upon x is 1 upon 50. So x is 40 meter, and floor area upon 50 square, that will give you 0.008 meters square. Now in this question, we have to find the volume of the remaining figure if the two cones are taken out from the cylinder. So here the volume of the remaining body which is left is volume of cylinder minus twice of volume of cone. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Twice of volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here after solving we get 594 centimeter cube. And the last part, prove the identity. So here if you take LHS, 1 minus tan theta whole square, cot is 1 by 10. On solving we get 1 minus tan theta whole square upon tan theta minus 1 whole square into tan square theta. Since this is in square, so that gets cancelled and that gives you tan square theta, which is our right hand side. So I hope the solutions of all these questions are clear to you all. In case of any doubt, please comment in my comment section. Thank you.